get very close yung mga contestants natin in this game.
Well, let's turn it over now to Leah Cruz, who's with Gabe Norwood.
All right, yes, I am with Gabe Norwood, the defending champion. Gabe, you know, these things, everyone's eyes are on you, and you have to keep coming up with new stuff. How do you keep it innovative?
Listen to friends and watch YouTube. That's about all you can do, I think. This should be fun today, though. We got great dunkers out here, so we'll see what happens.
All right, and, you know, of course, everyone's looking forward to seeing what you're going to come up with. Are you going to give us a little clue on what you're going to do?
I hope so. There's a couple that I wanted to do last year, but given the arena's certain, you know, measurements and things like that, I wasn't able to do it. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully I can get my dunks off.
All right, good luck, good luck. And I think it's just about time to start this dunk off, so let's see some dunks.
PBA fans, welcome to the PBA All-Star Slam Dunk Competition. First, let's introduce the judges. First, he is the Puerto Princesa Coliseum manager, executive assistant 4. Introducing Mr. Alfred C. Next, he is currently the PBA Press Score President, Mr. Kiko Kala. Our next judge, the alternate governor of the Coca-Cola Tigers, the PBA's MVP in 1998, Captain Maribel Hernandez. We also have a Grand Slam coach in the PBA, the clinic director of the Boston PBA Basketball Clinic, and he is the PBA's first Mr. 100% Coach Norman Black. And finally, he is the CEO of Andy Fix. One of our judges, Mr. Derek Hahn. Right now, let's call in and center court once again PBA Commissioner Sonny Barrios and Mrs. Ellen Hagedorn. This is going to be awarding the medals for all of the participants for the PBA All-Star Slam Dunk Competition. Let's call in first from BMEC Derby Ace Llamados, Rico Mayor Hopper. Next from Barangay Ginebra Kings, JC Intal. From BMEC Derby Ace Llamados, Nino Canaleta. From Santa Lucia Realtors, Kelly Williams. And the defending champion for this event from Rain or Shine Elasto Painters, Gabe Norwood. Winner of this event will win for himself 20,000 pesos. All right, let's call in our first participant from BMEC Derby Ace Llamados, Rico.
Now let's start out our 2010 Slam Dunk Competition. It's going to be the rookie, Rico Meyerhofer.
At sinabi nga natin, Dom, let us remind our friends who are watching right now, 2-round eliminations ang po ito, double round elimination. So you have to make sure that you make those dunks, at least make those dunks for it to count. Otherwise, if you don't, if you miss a dunk, automatic 5 points lang yung pinakamataas na pwede nilang makuha.
And Ching, mapapansin natin dun sa ating mga contestants ngayon, all of them are actually tall and lean. Gone are the days that you have short guys who can jump out of the building. Iba na talaga. And Rico Meyerhofer trying to get the crowd involved.
Alam mo, itong si Rico Meyerhofer, showman talaga ito. He really wants the crowd. And that's a good dunk from...
That's a good dunk. That's a difficult dunk. Grabbing onto the back of the brace and dunking it from the other side. And let's see what the judges think about that dunk of Rico Meyerhofer. It's a 6, 8, 7, 8, and a 7. Look at that, Rico Meyerhofer. And our good friend Mr. Miko Halili beside us, giving a different score
Hindi
of
sum-
2.5.
Hindi sumasang-ayon si Miko Halili dun sa dunk. Pero para sa akin, mahirap-hirap na yun. For you to hold on to the back of the board and then dunk it on the other side.
So the official score of Rico Meyerhofer is 36 points. And definitely with that 2.5 coming from Miko Halili, definitely a guy who's very hard to please.
Alam mo kung ba't hard to please si Miko? Ginagawa na yun palagi.
Oo, sa
Yung ganung
PlayStation.
dunk, kayang-kaya na ni Miko yun.
Sa court number 1 sa Ateneo.
That's right.
JC and Tal. Woo! But the good thing about this competition is you can actually re-dunk if you miss it.
That's right. And it will not affect your score. Not unless magminti si JC sa pangalawang attempt mo.
That's a good dunk by JC and Tal. You know, a key also to a slam dunk competition is trying to get the crowd involved, and that's what Rico Meyerhofer was trying to do. So judges score an 8, 8, 8, 9, and a 6 for JC and Tal.
Kailangan mo namin ng crowd support para maganda-ganda yung ano.
JC Tal in the first round.
So the official score for JC and Tal is a 39. 39 points for JC and Tal, the Spitfire from Barangay Ginebra.
Next, let's welcome the Philippine Derby Ace Navados, Nino Canaleta.
And our 3-time champion, KG Canaleta, trying to get the crowd involved.
Alam mo, nakakalata ako dito sa mga taga BMEG Derby Ace, ano? Parang talagang showman tong mga dunkers natin.
That's classic KG Canaleta.
Ang tawag doon, binali pa, no?
Oo.
Iniliko sa kanan, biniti ng kaunti, at saka niya idinang papasok.
Linagay muna dun sa kanyang paa bago dinakdak itong si KG Canaleta. KG Canaleta gonna do another dunk. Bouncing it off and throwing it down. KG Canaleta, you know, he just makes it look so easy.
Binabanggit mo kanina, Miko, sabi mo, Dom, no, Miko tuloy, dahil katabi natin to si Miko, mahirap yung dunk na ibabounce mo pa. Because yung timing, kailangan mo tsempohan.
And KG Canaleta getting a 45 from the judges and from our saling pusang judge.
Yes.
Dito sa kanan, Mr. Miko Halili. What did he give? Pwede na.
Pwede na. And I think, di ba? Kasi kay Miko, layup lang yung ganun.
Kelly Williams, our 2008 Slam Dunk champion. Two-handed slam. And you can see the appreciation shown by his fellow players here in Puerto Princesa. And let's see what the judges give.
47.
At alam mo, mutik nang mauntog doon kanina si Kelly Williams sa dunk niya. It's a reverse dunk. Ang mas mahirap doon, ibinomba pa niya bago niya dinunk with both hands.
Oh, two hands at sinilip pa niya muna yung ring. Look at how difficult itong ginawa ni KG Canaleta. Look at how deep that pump was. Two-hand slam. Kind of twisting. And that from Mr. Miko Halili. Of course, from the judges, we got a 47. From Mr. Miko Halili, yaks. Ano yun?
So, these
Sa
dunks,
sobrang mahirap i-explain.
hindi maipaliwanag ni Miko yung tuwa na nararamdaman niya.
At mukhang hindi pa nagawa ni Miko Halili.
I think he tried twice, but lumabas lang yun.
And our defending champion, Gabe Norwood. Let's see what he has in store for us for his first dunk. Trying to bounce it off the board. Let's see if Gabe Norwood is satisfied with that dunk. He can actually keep on dunking
That's right.
till he decides which dunk he wants the judges to score. Going off for that bounce. And with Leah's interview early on, sinabi ni Gabe Norwood that he actually wants to try something different this year. So let's see what he has in store.
As long as yung measurement daw ng court would permit him, susubok ng iba-ibang dunk to. But the thing is, time is running out on Gabe Norwood. He has like 18 seconds left, and as we mentioned earlier, each player has 60 seconds to complete a dunk.
Well, very important is for your first dunk to be solid.
That's right.
Solid meaning you get a solid score and you make it in the first two tries. That's a difficult dunk by Gabe Norwood because timing yan at galing sa likod ng ring.